Hey everyone, today on this episode we'll be installing the Napa Adaptive One performance brake pads and rotors on a 2011 Chrysler 300C 5.7 liter Hemi all-wheel drive. First thing we're going to do is remove the wheel. Tools of the trade today are we're going to need a ratchet. We're using a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch ratchet. Alright. 13mm socket for the brake caliper bolts, and then it was a 18mm socket. Alright, 13mm socket and ratchet. Alright, right there, 13 mils. Get a screw flathead or something similar. Let's go ahead and remove our guys over here, our caliper. Alright, next, move our pads, our old pads. Look at that, see that? And at the same time, you're going to compress the pistons. You can use channel locks, right? You can use a bunch of stuff. But we're going to use a C-clamp. Bam. Alright. Let's go ahead and remove these guys. 18 mil. Leverage here. Yep. There you go. All right. There you go. There you go. Leave it short. Boom, got it. 18mm bolts. Take these off. You could keep them on, but we go with the rubberized ones. Make sure these are clean. Looks good to me. Alright, take this off. Oh, it looks way better, eh? Looks way better. Nope. Use your knee to keep it flush as best you can, because it's kind of wobbly, right? Throw a rotor on. Perfect. These guys. Alright. So let's just make sure these are hunky dory. Okay. Now, remember, blue's outer. Blue dot, it says outer. Outer. Throw that in there. Carefully. Nice. There you go. Alright. Get your 13mm bolts ready. Alright, carefully. I'm gonna mess it up. Careful. Just like that. Keep spinning. Alright. Good. good, all good. 110 foot-pounds with your torque wrench. Alright, let's jack it up. Alright, looks like a good old 15 millimeter caliper bolts. Lefty loosey. Nice. See, it spins. So we have our handy dandy. There we go. Alright, cool. Let's see what I'm doing there. Careful with these, these are small, technically. I don't know why the head's bigger. Look how small these are. Look at that. That's crazy talk. Screwdriver, pop this out. Oh, look how extended that is. Okay. Just like that. Oh, these rear brake pads are bad. Worn out. It's fully depressed. Let it hang. Let the brake fluid flow. Use our flathead. Whoa, this one was rusted. Holy, look at that. There we go. Take those out. While it's in there, you know, clean it up a bit. What are, oh, looks like it is an 18. Those bolts, so we're gonna move this guy and this guy. Trying the gun. Woo. Power tools, baby. Air tools. Yeah. Okay, this one. We use impact sockets for this one. Find that they have a bit of more girth to them. Okay, this one with an extension. There we are. Woo. 18 millimeter. Get out of here. Okay. So there's a parking brake in behind here. So carefully wiggle it off. You don't want to keep it off center. Look at that. See over here, got our parking brake cable adjustment, right? And then in the back, over here, there's a little doodad. You pry it from the back to adjust it. So, because it came off easy, it's centered. When you apply your parking brake pedal in the cabin, it's going to self-ratchet itself back up. So, right now, if you wanted to adjust it, you can. Okay? But I'm going to leave that up to you guys if you wanted to. Right here, you put a screwdriver in behind, right here, and you ratchet this star to push it inwards or outwards. Alright? But we're not going to do that. It's gonna self-adjust. Now, the reason I say what I just said is because if the parking brake shoes were stuck to the inside of the old rotor and you're beating it off with a hammer, they would shift and move and you'd have to recenter it, and that's where you make your adjustments to get it close and centered, right? But luckily that didn't happen. Let's get our brand new Adaptive 1 rotor. Okay, slowly. Nice. Okay. Now these rears are they're a little, you know, dirty. We got our wire brush over here just to clean off the slides. So that, just want to make sure, because it's such tight tolerances, those slides, the ones that come on with the, you know. All right, let's throw caliper bracket back in. All right. Hand clamp. So, there's that. And then check by hand as well. Righty tighty, lefty, we'll see. Now, get the gloves off. Jeez. Okay. Alright. Yes, so. Alright, so these are going to slide in. You see that? Alright. Alright. Ow. Okay. Inner red boys. Switch this camera. Not bad. Okay. First, carefully. Don't want to drive anything. Alright. Top one in first. Center. All right. Down. Righty tighty. Good. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and throw our wheel back. Drop the wheel. Go ahead and get your. Alright, off to the passenger side. Let's go. Anyways, they look good. This is how we did the front and rear. And now we're gonna go bed the brakes, which is super important. So the next thing, since we compress the brakes, always make sure pump your brakes, get the fluid back in there. Right now the brakes are engaged, brake pads are touching the rotors and everything like that. So after that you would go ahead and do a braking procedure. Now what's a braking procedure? It's breaking in the rotors and pads and mating them correctly, and we do that by 5 times going from 50 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour, doing that 5 times without letting the braking system cool, so that's no stopping, and then do it 5 times, a little bit more aggressive at higher speeds, from 80 miles per hour down to 50. That's how I would do it, but then you would, that is the break-in procedure for brakes. Remember, no stopping. I'm gonna turn off the heater. Now we could listen to these brakes. I think it was 50 kilometers. Wow. The braking is phenomenal. You hear nothing? I just hear my change dangling. Oh, we need some gas. That's fine. Now drive around, let it cool. Alright, so that is how we bed the brakes on the Chrysler 300C 2011 using Napa's Adaptive 1 brake pads and rotors. Alright, pretty simple. It was probably going to be a lot easier if it was done in like the springtime. But anyways, we got her done. We used some power tools, but in any case, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.